The next topic is the structure of the myoglobin. The myoglobin is also represented by MB. The myoglobin structure having basically two parts. The first part is also called as heme group, and second one is the globin protein chain. The heme group is also called as iron 2 porphyrin complex. As we know that in the iron 2 porphyrin complex there are four pyrrole rings, and these four pyrrole rings are attached together by the methane bridge, that is CH2 CH bridge, and having alternate double and single bonds, and different substituents other than hydrogens are attached at the 4 pyrrole ring, like as at carbon number 1 there is CH3, and carbon number 3 is also CH3 substituents, carbon number 5 CH3 substituents, and carbon number 8 there is a CH3 group, and at carbon number 2 there is CH double bond CH2 group, and carbon number 4 also there is CH double bond CH2 group, and carbon number 6 there is a CH2 and COOH group, and similarly at the last carbon, that is carbon number or position number 8, there is also CH2 and COOH group is attached. So this is our ligand porphyrin. In the center of this ligand there is Fe metal is attached, which is in +2 oxidation state in case of the myoglobin. The Fe2 present in the center form four bonds, that is the nitrogen atom of the pyrrole ring. Now this is called as metalloporphyrin, or that is iron 2 porphyrin complex. This iron 2 porphyrin complex is also called as the heme group. At the fifth position of this iron metal there is a protein chain. This protein chain is also called as globin protein. In this protein chain there are 150 to 160 amino acids are present. In these situations the heme group as well as the globin protein chain is attached together, and the Fe metal which is present in the center having coordination number 5, 1 2 3 4, and the fifth position is attached with the protein, but the oxygen is not attached at that time. So now this structure is called as deoxymyoglobin. So in deoxymyoglobin the coordination number of iron metal ion, the coordination number of iron metal ion is 5. This Fe metal is present in high spin state, or I can say this complex is a high spin complex, or I can say the deoxymyoglobin is a high spin complex. As we know that the Fe in +2 oxidation state having the electronic configuration 3d6 and 4s0. When Fe metal ion is in free state, all the 5d orbitals remains degenerated. When a metal complex is formed, like as here deoxymyoglobin complex is formed, the metal 5d orbital splits into two sets. The higher energy orbitals are called as Eg orbitals, and the lower three degenerated orbitals are also called as T2g orbitals. When metal complex is formed, or I can say the deoxymyoglobin complex is formed. So here are 6 electrons present in the 3d orbitals. So after the formation of the complex, because the complex is high spin, the electronic configuration will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So the electronic configuration of Fe+2 metal ion in deoxymyoglobin will be T2g4 and Eg2. or we can see here the number of unpaired electrons are 4. So deoxymyoglobin complex is a paramagnetic complex. When these four nitrogen atom of these four pyrrole rings combines together with methane bridge, the size of this cavity or this hole is 218 nanometer. Supposed to be these are the four nitrogen atom of the four pyrrole rings. Here these are the pyrrole rings and they form the square planar geometry. The size of this cavity is 218 nanometer. But the size of this Fe plus 2 metal, the size of this Fe plus 2 metal is 220 nanometer. Sorry, the unit of size is picometer. The size of the cavity is 218 picometer and size of this Fe plus 2 metal is 220 picometer. So the metal ion is not inserted in the cavity. It remains above the surface of the cavity, or it remains above the surface of this pyrrole ring. So in this case the geometry form complex is square pyramidal. Supposed to be these are the four nitrogen atoms of the pyrrole ring and this is the size of the cavity, and Fe plus 2 metal not adjust or not insert in this cavity, so it is present above the plane of this cavity. So in case of the deoxymyoglobin, the geometry of the complex will be square pyramidal. Then what will happen when the oxygen is attached at the sixth position of the Fe plus 2 metals? When a molecule of oxygen is attached at the sixth position of the this metalloporphin complex, in this case the complex is called as oxymyoglobin. Now the coordination number of the central Fe metal change from 5 to 6 in case of the oxymyoglobin. And this oxygen O2 is a strong field ligand. It is the strong field ligand. So due to this attachment of this strong field ligand, this high spin complex become low spin complex. Low spin complex. And because low spin complex is formed, all the 6 electron pair in the T2G orbitals. So after the attachment of the oxygen, oxymyoglobin is formed. Now the electronic configuration of Fe plus 2 metal become T2G6 and Eg0. When oxygen is attached, the size of this cavity increase from 218 to 220 picometer. So in this case, this iron atom can easily insert in the cavity. So in this case, the geometry of oxymyoglobin complex become square planar. Next question is, what is the difference between deoxymyoglobin and oxymyoglobin? So first difference is that the oxidation state in deoxymyoglobin of metal ion is +2, that is Fe plus 2. In case of oxymyoglobin, the oxidation state of Fe metal is +3, that is Fe plus 3. The coordination number of Fe metal ion, Fe plus 2 metal ion is 5 in case of the deoxymyoglobin, while in case of the oxymyoglobin, the coordination number of Fe plus 3 metal is 6 because oxygen is attached. The complex deoxymyoglobin is a high spin complex and electronic configuration of Fe plus 2 metal is T2G4 and Eg2. In case of oxymyoglobin, the complex is low spin and the configuration is T2G6 and Eg0. The unpaired electron is present in deoxymyoglobin, so it is a paramagnetic complex. The unpaired electron in d orbital is absent, so oxymyoglobin is a diamagnetic complex. And finally, we know that the geometry of the deoxymyoglobin complex is square pyramidal, while that the geometry of the oxymyoglobin complex is square planar.